like before the fireworks.
This is Mexican firecracker attempt number 2.
Run away! Oh, it busted it in half. I told you. Yeah, Steph, come get a close up on the bucket. That's what it does to Rubbermaid, man. Use the smaller bucket. Dude, those things are so rad.